Hey there! Are you ready to turn your free time into real rewards? In this video, I'm excited to introduce you to an amazing app that transforms your leisure moments into tangible benefits. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our incredible money-making tips. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now let's get started. Welcome to Scrambly. First up, let's explore the exciting world of Scrambly. Dive into a universe of casual games all designed for your enjoyment. Discover the latest titles, play, and start earning real rewards today. Engage with easy-to-play games that reward you for your time. Earn coins as you play and exchange them for a wide variety of popular gift cards, digital vouchers, PayPal, and various gift cards. Whether you're a fan of puzzles, action, or strategy games, Scrambly has something for everyone. With over 120 games on Scrambly, you're bound to find your next favorite. From popular hits to hidden gems, there's a cool game waiting for you. It's more than just play, it's a path to financial rewards. Now here's the best part, a sign-up bonus. Get a 50 cents bonus just for signing up. You can redeem your first gift card with as little as $1. Unlock a world of rewards and gift cards by playing games designed to help you unwind and win. And don't worry about long waits. With Scrambly, your rewards are instantly available. Play, earn, and cash out with ease. It's a seamless way to turn your gaming skills into real money. So take control of your earnings and make the most of your downtime with Scrambly. Download the app now and join a community where your gaming fun turns into financial gain. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried Scrambly or any other money-making apps? What was your experience like? Drop a comment below and share your story. Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. See you in the next one.